Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is all about a product Cindy Donovan, a lovely Australian lady, has come up with called Minute Pop. And the pop is like pop-ups, and the minute is ready in a heartbeat. And so you can see here, launch, grow, and sell your own six-figure newsletters. That's what it's really all about. And I like to usually start at the finish. The finish is complicated, but I'm going to say the one payment method, it's $67, but there's other ones. There's about 3 different variations. I'll show you in a sec. Let me show you what this is all about. First, you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a product box there, a bit of a description, and under 1 minute, you can choose your niche, display a lead capture pop-up, automatically subscribe and deliver newsletters and our lead magnets, as the newsletters are already put together, pre-built lead magnets, or complete done for you, fully monetized weekly newsletters, make money and capture leads, and then everything's all set up and monetized in under 1 minute. That's pretty amazing. There's a whole bunch of lead capture funnels. There's not just one. They have a bunch of different areas. You can use AI to divide these up into different niches again. You'll see what I mean. And so I'm looking here at the upgrade offers. So this is on my site. The upgrade offers are listed at the bottom of that post. And then you get to the link that's Minute Pop from Cindy Donovan. Click that link and you're on this page we're looking at. But I'll just mention here to give you an idea, the main front end offer. Option 1, $46.47 one time. Option 2, $37 annual subscription option. Option 3, $27 joining fee, then $19.97 a month. You can see it's a little bit, it's not as easy, but let's call that $46.47 one time. That's a good one there. And what I was talking about, anyhow, it doesn't matter. You'll see that when you click it through to there. The part you're going to love is, let's take a look inside. Look at this on the right-hand side, 5 weekly newsletters, easy pop-ups to add the plugin to get people to go to it. No website. They've created 15 completely done for you hosted lead magnet funnels, basically small websites. Fast start training. You're live and automated in about 1.6 minutes. That's pretty amazing. Free autoresponder. AI GPTs allow you to scale it. Turn each of the 5 newsletters into 10 plus that you can sell. You see what I'm talking about? It expands it out. One-on-one mentor support, money back guarantee. Again, $47, bam, bam, one-time offer for that. And then they have some other things. And this will just give you an idea. So you keep hearing about emails dead, all these other things, but this is the king of them all. 4 billion people are on email, daily getting emails, 12.3 billion in revenue. For every dollar spent on email, I guess, autoresponders and things like that, $36 is earned. So it is hugely profitable to do email. It is still working. And the only way you find out about stuff, there's a few things that you find out from influencers on Instagram and things like that. Almost everything you buy, almost everything you know about comes from you looking in your email, getting an email from someone, from something you subscribe to, something you wanted to find out about, and then they send you emails and then you buy it. And that's a newsletter. That's what that is. A newsletter is a series of emails, and there you go. So I'm going to scream through, blah, blah, blah. They're making lots of money. Everything's great. Do it all for you. So that's the Minute Pop. It's all put together to be put together in a minute. And in a minute, you're up and running. So again, $47, select brand and pop. They have a series of different newsletters. Choose the audience and then put your logo up, and then either use WordPress or the standalone app to create the individual funnels. So let's go through this quickly here. I'm not going to read through them all. I'm just going to go Family Matters, Health Hub, tech trends. You get the idea. They're covering all the major areas. Marketing Matters, that'd be something like internet marketing, culinary highlights, cooking, and so on. So you can see that they're breaking it down. You can see that they have different ones that they'll offer you. You'll be able to put together your own newsletter. Yeah, they're making a fortune. Don't be thinking about that, but do be thinking about getting people to sign up to your subscription list that are interested in your niche that you're talking about, and being able to send things to them, support them with the newsletters. That's going to be all put up in 1 minute. and you're going to be making money from it. I'm going to scream to the bottom just because they had that not there. Oh, they have add-ons and things here. I'm going to skip that. I'm looking for the part where they show the different there. Okay, so you get the idea. First month free, $47. Wave setup free, pay $47, then $47 a year. A lock discount, that's $47 right there per year. And this is 1 year access for $67, and it's canceled after a year. So obviously you can cancel anytime for the next year. So your best deal is to get the $47 one. That's why I mentioned that price. You can see here 52 weekly branded editions of all the 5 that we mentioned, the plugin, the funnel pack for all these ones that we just so these start to be into different areas, weight loss and so on, and all the tools to separate out your newsletters, the training, the mentor, the whole thing, $47. So click the link in the video description. Go check out Minute Pop from Cindy Donovan. There, that's a good way of showing it right there. Click the link, go to my site, read through the information, and check it out. It's called Minute Pop, fresh out today from Cindy Donovan. You're going to love it if you're at all interested in making money from email marketing. And you should be, because it's one of the top ROI things you can possibly do online. Check it out. I'm Andrew Martyr from marketingsharks.com. This is Minute Pop from Cindy Donovan.